We are here at the brand new Sibley Square in downtown Rochester, New York. It's not brand new, but they just renovated it. Take a look at what we have here. That's right. Let's go to 6. OTIS Autotronic. Love it if my camera would focus. Here we are at 6. Take a look at that classic leveling. There is an emergency phone in here. Here's your cabinet. Take a look at those fixtures. These are absolutely beautiful. So glad to see that they left them original and didn't upgrade them. Pick it up one more time. There we go. I love those center opening 2-speed doors. This time I'm gonna do a video of showing a classic leveling, or a clip I meant. Basement's locked. The side of the cabinet is locked. Get a good cab view before we go anywhere else. Absolutely love these things. OTIS. There they go, and that's it. This elevator actually parks on the first floor.